Well, this used to be a pretty cool single trail. Now it's pretty rooted. It's in there somewhere. See how we go.
Sit in the bottom and try and pop out of it.
Not sure, but yeah, it does get...
It's got a little bit of momentum, and then a pop at the bottom and flop. And then stand up in front of the bars. Yeah. It's a lot steeper than you think when you get to it, isn't it? Yeah, right.
Yep.
You can see how coming this way is not too bad, eh? Coming
Up there it's pretty good, it's open like this, and then we'll drop into the creek again, and then there's a good hill climb to get out of the creek as well. But nothing as bad as this. Yo! Alright, yep. I'll come down the bottom. Oh, Well, that was exciting. What time are we? Just spent an hour with a random bunch of blokes and got to the last obstacle on this track. And one of them's like pretty new at riding, and he's like, no, I'm not going up there, not doing it. So they've had to turn around and go back the whole track, whereas I'm going to end up cutting up through here, and I'm going to be out back onto the easy stuff. I really don't think they're going to pass me, but we'll see what happens if I run into them or not again. But yeah, good bunch of blokes. Exchange numbers, might get out for a ride again. Oh well, keep going for the day. All good, mate?
Yeah, bro.
You going up or down?
Going up.
No worries. Bastard of a fucking hill that was.
Yeah. No momentum, eh?
Nah, you just lose it straight at the bottom. You hit those rocks, you bug it. Hell yeah. What a mission. Went on a goose chase myself for an hour. Thought I was taking a track that'd get me back to the main road and I'll be out of here. But nope. Still here in the bush. At least I'm back on a track I recognise. I'm buggered. When you're out of water, the bubbler is like heaven. Bloody oath.